Hey friends, if you wish to check CPU temperature accurately on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Now search for CPU temperature. Okay. Now you can choose any good application for it, like this one. I just install it. Actually, I use Armory Crate on one of my other system, but that's for higher end systems. It isn't for every system. So we'll wait till this one is installed. It has a good rating, so let's see how it works. It's installed now. Now it shows the CPU temperature on the side, which is 61 degrees Celsius. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.